that we have identified. So we have a corpus of 1,400 food and tech cases, including startups and pilots that are happening worldwide, and we are enriching this by doing a web mining. Okay? So this
and well, he's going to explain to us like their main projects, where they are, how exactly the business work, and how I think most of the recent project there.
A change of technology may take you out of the market, so you need to understand what need are you giving answer to. If you understand that, you can adapt, because technology is constantly evolving. Business models are constantly evolving. We people generally have the same basic needs, and at the end of the day we are still using Maslow pyramids, which can be related to the caveman. First survival, then satisfaction, so the hygienic needs, functionals, and then emotionals.
Some time, how do they deal with what their data is telling them, and from the story you're telling?
Okay, and by that then you want to make an introduction like we did for Piece of Pie for Telefonica or not? Everyone knows? Everyone knows the presentation? Okay.
This is video.
We wish we'd have had more time to work on this, because it's really the possibilities that we could think of were really broad, but then we started thinking about some of the constraints, some of them that you mentioned earlier, about like privacy issues.
I will explain all of our solutions. It's a B2C service.
If there is any person or anybody that is about to have a problem, future problem, it could be detected beforehand, before it happens, and the government would use it as a...
Might be a possible flu or some kind of outbreak of any kind, and they can actually alert hospitals ahead of time, better preparing hospitals for what might come in. So during flu season, if they notice, let's say, so like on MIT, they noticed like on their campus during certain times, there's a lot of people that were stagnant and not moving. They were able to alert the hospital that they might have an incoming amount of people that have developed the flu. So for government, it's a very important tool in taking care of healthcare costs and managing any type of public health crisis.
Would be a good profile. So in addition to like stress and pressure, we were thinking maybe like if you want to test the honesty of the responses, or if you want to test if they're eloquent enough or whatever, so you want to kind of just have a backup, so that portal or device, just the recruiter.
Downloading this app or to download or to use this app, how are we going to manage that? And we felt that if it was an app that kind of incorporated lots of functions that we already have in all these running apps and all these health and nutrition apps that engage me every day.
Phone knows where I'm going basically. I maybe calling my granddaughter at 5 p.m. every Monday. We do have this data somehow. When I have a doctor's appointment, yeah, some of this data has to be input.